Welcome to the kickoff of our How It's Made series. Get ready to uncover the incredible ingenuity behind the tech you use every day. From smartphones to smart cars, we're peeling back the layers of innovation. Join us as we unravel the fascinating processes and innovations that bring your favorite gadgets to life. We're diving into the world of smartphones first. These pocket-sized powerhouses are a blend of art and science. Imagine a symphony of technology humming beneath that sleek surface. The heart of it all, the microprocessor, is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a world of nanometers where circuits smaller than a human hair perform millions of calculations per second. Craftsmanship comes into play too, with each component meticulously assembled to create a seamless user experience. Discover the cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship that go into making the device that's likely in your hand right now. Next up, laptops and computers. These aren't just boxes of metal and wires, but intricate systems of components, software, and engineering. Imagine the layers of a computer as a city. The motherboard is the infrastructure, the CPU is the powerhouse, and the software is the lifeblood, directing traffic and keeping everything running smoothly. From the humble hard drive to the mighty graphics card, each part plays a key role. We'll explore the components, software, and engineering that power your computing. Shift gears with us as we look at electric vehicles. A silent revolution is taking place on our roads, powered by cutting-edge batteries, efficient motors, and advanced technology. These vehicles aren't just a substitute for their gas-guzzling counterparts, they're a bold stride towards a more sustainable future. From zero-emissions driving to smart, connected features, EVs are transforming our concept of mobility. And at the heart of this revolution, the innovative batteries, motors, and technology that drive these vehicles forward. Learn about the batteries, motors, and technology that drive the EV revolution. Home is where the tech is. Picture this. You're loading the laundry into a machine that not only cleans your clothes but also conserves water. Or perhaps you're grabbing a snack from a refrigerator that knows when you're running low on your favorite foods. These aren't scenes from a science fiction movie, they are the realities of modern home appliances. From energy-saving dishwashers to smart ovens, we'll uncover the innovations and intricate processes behind the appliances that make life easier. Wearables and gadgets are not just fashion statements, they're marvels of miniaturization and functionality. These incredible devices, often no larger than a wristwatch, are packed with technology that helps us track our health, stay in touch with loved ones, and even navigate the world around us. From heart rate monitors to GPS trackers, from fitness bands to smart glasses, every single component is a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. We'll delve into how these tiny devices monitor health, keep us connected, and enhance our lives. Ready to play? Discover the making of interactive entertainment systems. From the high-powered processors of cutting-edge gaming consoles to the immersive visual and audio technology and virtual reality headsets, there's a world of innovation to explore. These devices are designed to create captivating, sensory-rich experiences that transport us to different realities. Whether it's racing on virtual tracks, exploring fantasy realms, or stepping into a simulation of our world, these platforms truly blur the lines between reality and fiction. Learn how these platforms are engineered to immerse you in other worlds. But how do ideas become reality? We're taking you behind the scenes. Here, in the heart of research and development labs, concepts spring to life. Precision and patience are key as prototypes undergo rigorous testing in state-of-the-art facilities. Rigor doesn't end there. Every product must pass stringent quality control checks. It's a fascinating journey, a dance of science and creativity, that takes a mere idea and transforms it into a tangible product. Witness the journey from concept to consumer. In our pursuit of innovation, sustainability is key. Technology manufacturing is not just about creating cutting-edge products, it's also about considering the environmental impact, from the materials we use to the energy consumption of our factories. We're increasingly focusing on recycling and eco-friendly practices to minimize waste and reduce our carbon footprint. This includes everything from sourcing sustainable materials to implementing energy-efficient processes. Because at the end of the day, we're not just making technology for today, we're also thinking about tomorrow. We'll discuss the environmental considerations in technology manufacturing and how we're striving for a greener future.